first time doing a vlog here at Seven Hills, so enjoy.
We have some SSR
And we have an 82 class.
8217, 8234, 8218 and 8212. This train is making me dead. So that's 2 freight and 1 vlog, which is pretty nice. No V-set, sadly. And the K-set's now departing. Campbelltown service. And we have a Tangara arriving, T125 XG25.
Parramatta, Harris Park, Granville.
This is a Penrith service.
No, okay, maybe I should just...
It'll stop Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith. And the set is K86.
Destination board still
S-set approaching.
But it's going to
Yeah, there it comes.
Campbelltown.
It's arriving in a platform 1 Campbelltown service, I think. I think so. Yeah, Campbelltown service. Or it's not stopping. Don't know. Yeah, it's stopping. And finally it comes. S123 is the set. Service arriving into platform 1. A18's the set. Stops all stations to Richmond. Just looking at the S set. S123 now departing platform 1 Campbelltown service. Looking extremely dirty. And A18 now departing. T117 now departing platform 1 at Seven Hills. Central service. Then on to North Sydney. Stopping all stations to Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central. And we have an 82 class, 8217, 8234, 8218 and 8212. This train is making me dead. So that's 2 freight and 1 vlog, which is pretty nice. No V-set, sadly. And we have a Tangara arriving, T125 XG25. This is a Penrith service. It'll stop Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith. We have an S-set approaching, 25 XG25 being the front 4 cars of this Tangara. Don't know the rear 4 cars yet. It is a Penrith service. There goes the generator. And there goes the choppers. The rear 4 cars of the set is T76. Driving C12's the set. Hornsby via Macquarie University service arriving into platform 1. set A46. C12 is now departing platform number 4 for a Schofield service. It's now departing, stopping at Blacktown, Marion, Quakers Hill, Schofields. And A46 should be departing, but it's not. So I'll wait. A46 now departing, platform number 4, Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Amusing to see. The next train off platform 3 departs in 4 hours and 16 minutes. Not sure why that's even saying it, but okay. Hornsby via Macquarie University service departing platform 1. And we have a K set arriving into platform number 4, Schofield service. K65 is the set of the K set. A8 is the set of the Waratah. It still says Campbelltown. Obviously, they don't know how to change destination boards. K65 now departing platform 4, Schofield service stopping Blacktown, Marion, Quakers Hill, and Schofields. Came from Campbelltown and it stopped all stations along here. Arriving in a platform number 1, North Sydney service, stopping all stations to Lidcombe, Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central. T92, front 4 cars. Oh, come on, rear 4 cars, can I get them this time? No. Sorry for the awkward camera view. I'm going to try and get the rear half. Yep. T90 I think is the set. So yeah, T90 and T96 now departing platform number 1. North Sydney service stopping Toongabbie, Pendle Hill, Wentworth Hill, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Granville, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe and Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central. And we have a Penrith service arriving. A78's the set. The B set approaching platform 2, passing service. Central service stopping Parramatta, Strathfield, Central. V12 is the set. Nice 2-tone horn. Flying past. And we have A78 still standing on platform number. And that rocketed past. Don't know when this is going to leave. Oh, now it's departing. Penrith service stopping Blacktown, Duneside, Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt, St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood and Penrith. Okie dokie guys, I'm going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye bye.